In this video, I'll show you how to change tip on Instacart. Tips are optional but a great way to show your shoppers appreciation and recognition for their excellent service. 100% of your tip goes directly to the shopper shopping and delivering your order. To add a tip during checkout, go ahead and go to the Delivery Tip tab, select a given tip amount or click other to enter your own. So this applies for both the website and the application of Instacart. Now, if you want to add or modify a tip after a delivery, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the website. If you're accessing the website, click on your orders and click on increase or change in the tip field. If you're accessing the app, tap on the account icon in the upper right corner, select orders and select the relevant order. Tap increase next to increase tip. So this will allow you to change the amount of tips that you can actually give to your drivers on Instacart, and that is how you can basically change tip on Instacart. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.